Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a very clear and simple honest review of Nexuspay to help you decide if it is the best online payment platform for you. So to get started with that, Nexuspay is a mobile payment app developed by Dutch Bangla Bank PLC, which is DBBL in Bangladesh. It allows users to send money, pay bills, recharge phones, and make purchases both online and in stores. And here are the key major features about this platform: which is they send money to DBBL and other bank using the BEFTN or NPSP. They also offer this wide range features, which is the QR payment at stores and online merchants, and also offer a mobile recharge for all Bangladesh telecom operators. Also offer the utility bills payment, which is for the electricity, gas, water, and other payment. They also have this wide range features that help them add and recharge the DBBL bank account and Rocket Money wallet. Yes, these features called a fingerprint and a pin security option to help you secure your account. And here's the pros and cons about this platform, which is no registration cost under the pros, which is the advantages you stand to gain as a person while registering on this platform. No registration cost. It is free to use. They also offer this support both bank account and mobile wallet. It's a fast and a secure local transfer. It accepts by many retail stores and service provided, backed by DBBL, one of the Bangladesh most trusted bank, and offer a reward and cashback on the selected payment. And here's the downside: it has a limited international features, which is mainly local use, not a featured rich as app like Bcash or lacked in terms of lifestyle service. And also some user reports occasional bug or slow app update. No direct integrations with PayPal or international wallet. And here's the final verdict about this platform. Nexuspay is one of the best digital banking app in Bangladesh. If you are a DBBL user, it's safe, easy to use, and protect for everyday money transfer, utility bills, and a QR payment. However, for intentional transfer or more advanced features, other platforms like Wise, Pioneer, or Lemfi may be better. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this payment platform. Thank you.